Okay, the long-awaited time has arrived, and today we are going to unbox the Apple Airpods second generation. So my son's been really excited about these, and we went out and bought them today at Costco, and let's see how they look. And here they are, the Apple AirPods with charging case. This is second generation. So let's see, when did these first come out? Back in 2017. So these are a couple years old. This is again the second gen, and we're gonna unbox these AirPods and see how they look. The anticipation is riveting. So Apple does just a superb job on their packaging. That's what they're known for. So whenever you get a knockoff Apple product, that's when you know you have a knockoff, because the packaging is just not the same. Everyone jokes about these that, oh, it looks like a package of dental floss. I completely disagree. Oh, they're so cool. So now we should be able to take out your iPhone, and then they should just connect. Okay, so we popped open the iPhone SE. Open up the AirPod. Wow, that was fast. That was so fast. And there we go. Andy's AirPods. Wow, that was so cool. So does it say what the charge is? Automatic ear connection? That's awesome. So now we should be able to just take them out and put them in your ear. Does it fit okay? And then I'll put the other one in my ear and we'll listen to the music at the same time. So one thing we both agree on, and I think everyone does, Apple just does an amazing job on design. So the little magnetic case is just fun. Mm-hmm. So we're typing on the keyboard and you can hear the little subtle clicks of the keyboard. So Andy's going to choose a song on Spotify. I finished the unboxing. Oh, and there's the cable. Hey, now you have an extra lightning cable for your phone. Looks like the standard 3-foot cable. And I bet they gave you a sticker. Okay, you know what? That's okay. We don't need another sticker. Oh, and the music just started playing. I just can't believe how quickly easily they connected. I just recently finished reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Buds, and it was not that easy. Anyway, so there we go. Those are the Apple AirPods second gen. We decided not to go with the wireless charging case because, I don't know, I just didn't think it was all that. What do you think of the AirPods so far?
I love them. I really do.
Ditto. I feel the same. So there we go. Walk on over to your Costco store and pick some up. They're on sale right now for 100 and change. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, please ask those questions. Hello again. So this is a follow-up to our AirPods unboxing. This is the man behind the camera. And we're going to interview a real live teenager. And that's where the AirPods went. So these were purchased on October 29th. Today is the 14th. So it's been
16 days.
16 days. And these were at Costco on sale. What do you think? Should we return them? Should we do a reboxing video?
No, we should not.
We should not?
Yeah, I really like these. So.
Tell me what you think about Apple.
I really like Apple, personally. I know a lot of people don't really like Apple, but it's just, I don't know. I kind of grew up around Apple. But anyway, so I really like these. They're actually a nice fit for me. And, just like, they stay in my ears. And I also like the inner detection. That's a fun thing,
So right when you put them in, did they just turn right on?
Yeah, they do. They connect right away. You don't have to go into the Bluetooth. Whoops, wrong one.
How far away is your phone right now?
It's in my pocket right now, actually, but, I've actually tried this. My phone's been upstairs and I've been downstairs and they'll connect. So
nice.
It's really cool.
So almost anywhere in the house, you could have your phone charging and just listen to music.
Yeah. I mean, it's really cool. And the inner detection is great, but one issue I kind of had, so when I would take out, I just have my music in and somebody would try to talk to me. I take it out and the music stops, which is cool. But then I put my fingers over it and something, and it would just play. It would just keep playing. But then I take my fingers off and it would stop.
So it would automatically play?
Yeah, it kind of thought my ear was around it. I think it just detects if there's skin around it, then it starts playing.
Oh.
But anyway, that was one thing. But other than that, I haven't had many issues with the AirPods. I have had one instance where I don't know, they said they were connected, but it was playing from my phone, and but it was just one instance. And anyway, so don't mind this, but when I'd open the case around it, it would
that was fast.
show the battery of both the headphones and the charging case.
And what type of battery life are you getting out of these?
I can't say the exact, but I can't say for my head because I would just put them back in when I stopped using them and they just charge right away. And I'm saying about I could get a good 2 days without charging these. I'm using them every day.
So easily probably 5 or so hours?
Yeah.
Wow, they even do animation on the screen. That is pretty cool.
Yeah, it's really cool. And kind of when you take them out, so you they open the case feature and it pops up thing. You can't do that while one of them's out or while both of them are out. I don't know why I see watch while it's doing that. I don't know, sometimes it makes this exclamation mark and it kind of panics, but I don't know.
So it wants you to use both of them.
Yeah, but you can also go with using one at a time, and to save battery, it will turn off the other one. It won't just keep playing on the other one.
As long as it's in the case.
Yeah, as long as it's in the case.
Can you show me that thing where? So we figured out we misplaced this in the house a couple nights ago. It was not anyone's fault. It was an accident.
Yes.
And we tried to play the sound. So let's open up your iPhone, and we'll leave the case, and we'll show them what sound it makes or does not make.
Okay, here is my issue. All right, so if you were just missing the case and the AirPods, the AirPods are in the case, then that is, so I go to Andy's AirPods, that is an issue. It's kind of oh, sorry. So when I say play sound, it will say pending, and it will just
I don't hear anything.
Yeah.
And that's the problem.
It won't play sound, but if you misplace an AirPod, Apple can help you there because it'll like show you on the map where they are, and then you go back to that place, and then here. Sorry, can I?
Oh yeah, let you do it.
Okay, so.
So let's just take one out, and we'll pretend we've lost this somewhere in the house.
Oh my goodness! Okay.
Oh no, where'd it go?
Okay. If you can hear that, it's.
Yeah, that's pretty loud.
Yeah.
I could hear that underneath a couch cushion, because that's where everything disappears, underneath the couch.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, and then I can choose to play it on the left or right. I don't have to play it on both, and then just stop.
Oh, nice.
And then, yeah, found it. Okay. And then, so here's the thing about, like, opening cases and stuff. You can't really do it around other iPhones because I've noticed that at school, like, I'll just be playing with the case, and then someone will say, stop,
Is it trying to pair with another iPhone?
Yeah, it will literally ask, it will pop up and it will say, is this your are these your AirPods? Anyway, so that was one annoying thing. But one thing I like about this is you can just open it with one hand, on the Samsung earbuds, I don't know what
the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Those are the ones I had.
You have to use two hands to open them, but convenience again. But anyway, so yeah.
I actually like the design of the Apple AirPods. It was a difference of $10. I mean, those are $140 and actually $20. Almost anyway. Yeah. It was a difference of $10 or $20, and 15. I just really wanted to try them out, and mainly with my Samsung watch. But yeah, so would you recommend this product for other teenagers? Christmas is coming.
I actually really would. It's a great Christmas. It would be a great Christmas gift because, just as long as you keep track of them and you know where they are, they're great and they're worth the money, I feel like. So
here, let's review the case you got.
Okay, so of course AirPods wasn't enough. I'm just kidding. But I decided I wanted to get a case for them. So I got this off of Amazon, and it's just a silicone case. So one thing about Apple is they charge quite a bit for their cases, but like their iPhone cases, but it's just kind of easy to and then you just put this over the top and boom.
And that's made out of silicone, right?
Yeah, silicone.
Yeah, I saw someone at Chick-fil-A earlier today with that around the belt loop on their pants. They were just hanging right off their pocket.
Yeah, that's what some.
And it was bright yellow, so I like that you chose navy blue.
Yep, and yeah, I like the color of this case too. And this hook thing, I just hanging around my backpack, like the arm strap thing, and that's a good thing that comes with, and yeah. Nice.
So iPods plus the case, we're looking at around $150. And
they're about $7.
You bought this with your own hard-earned cash. Way to go, bud.
Thanks.
High five. All right, well, that's all for now. We have the unboxing, we have the review from a live teenager, and a follow-up 16 days later. So 2 weeks. Yes, the Apple AirPods are a keep. We don't plan on returning these. And yeah, maybe we'll do another review 16 months later and see how they last over a year.
Yeah, if you like the AirPods Pro, then just, I don't know. But yeah, they kind of look silly, but it's okay.
I think those are great.
I mean, I don't know. They do come in different sizes, which is another thing.
All the different earpieces.
Yeah, some AirPods just don't. For some people, it depends. You have to have the ears for it. So
that's true.
But then with the different sizes, but not much changes for $100 more. I mean, that is Apple. They increased their different.
$250 compared to. I think they're actually on sale again right now for $135 at Costco.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, then. Little Black Friday holiday special.
yet.
So I might take your receipt back, and I think Costco will give us the difference.
Oh, okay.
And then you can buy lunch.
All right.
Another meal at Chick-fil-A or Subway or wherever. All right, well, that's all for now. Say goodbye to the camera.
Bye. So yes, I do recommend these.
Oh, and yes, please like and subscribe. Any questions for the teenager or the cameraman? Comment below. See ya.